Okay, recording is on. Women and cybersecurity, empowering women in cybersecurity on International Women's Day on March 2024. Based on that, we started this initiative this year, and this is part of this SheGuards program, which is a continuation of last year. So we became partner with international certification body in cybersecurity named INE. Earlier, the name was Elan Security. And these are recent EdTech engagements. For example, we delivered a program with United of Technology covering 6 departments, close to 10 days, 250 plus students, offline delivery. And another example, last year we ran this Cybersecurity Foundation certificate cohort number 2, started in September 2024. We started as a pilot batch. We wanted to touch base on final year graduates who are graduating in and around April 2025. This is an initiative from us around 6 months ago. Surprisingly, we had like 700 plus finalist students participating in the program from 50 plus academic institutions. And these are the statuses. This is available in our social media platforms as well. Recently, we established our Center of Excellence in Cybersecurity in RVS College of Engineering Technology. And this program, Tech Mentor Connect Global Program, 6 weeks online, is based on a few different subjects. One, we do have boot camps in 3 different technologies: AI, cloud, and cybersecurity. And following that, we'll be having some activities related to SheGuards in 2025, based on 3 different sustainable development goals from UN. One is the UN SDG number 4, quality education. Another one is number 5, gender equality. Another one is about number 8, decent work and economic growth. Going forward, we'll be able to explain in detail what these goals are and how these goals are mapped to our this initiative called Tech Mentor and SheGuards 2025. This is the coordinates of all the persons on the board. First one is myself, founder and CEO of this company, and Mr. Charles from Nigeria, Africa. This is his email ID and the LinkedIn. And Dr. L. Venkatesan also happened to be the Chief Strategy Officer and also the founder of Lakshmi Venkatesan Charitable Trust, who is also the supporting entity for this initiative. So this is the day 1 of the session, Tech Mentor Connect Global Program. The agenda for today will be like this. Uh, First, we completed the welcoming the audience, and now we'll be introducing about this program, about this initiative. Third one, we'll be able to cover how we can get in touch through WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp chat, and how to guides. So there are some queries from some students and from registrants about the slides and recording. Yes, you will also get the slides by email. Within 24 hours, you'll be able to access this slide from the LMS portal as well. Learn.bcbuzz.io is LMS portal, and you'll be getting a recording within 24 hours. If it is starting at 4 p.m. today and finishing by 4:45 or 5 p.m. Today, you'll be getting this recording close to 6 p.m. tomorrow. And we'll be sending a survey form in the LMS. We request everyone to spend a few seconds of your time every day if you attend the session to complete the survey form. And coming to the housekeeping activities, we would like to have a customized engagement with all the learners from different parts of the globe. We request you to update your WhatsApp number and also the country code in your profile. We'll be able to add you to the WhatsApp group. So how one can add the WhatsApp number to be part of the WhatsApp group? You just have to go to this URL, learn.bcbuzz.io, and then from there you please click my profile. Once you click my profile, you'll be able to see where you can update your name, your email ID, change the password, and WhatsApp number. I'll quickly take a minute to show how you can do it. Learn.bcbuzz.io, and then click login. Okay, device. One moment. No problem. I'll just show the screens in a minute later. And the other one is the community chat. You'll be able to access to the community chat once you are inside this LMS. Please go to the left-hand menu where you can access the courses. Under these courses, you'll be able to see webinars, bookmarks, and community. Under community, please go to Tech Mentor SheGuards 3-week cybersecurity bootcamp. Below that, you'll be able to see announcements. When you click announcement, you'll be able to see all the updates from us in the chat. We'll be able to have this in, in WhatsApp regular updates as well. Once all the attendees update the WhatsApp number in the profiles. Join in the class, of course. Now you may know how to join the class. Every day we'll be posting the link to join the class. When you log into the LMS, you just have to go and select the date that is happening. We'll be able to add the day in the day one itself. We'll be able to update the actual date before the day one, so that you'll be able to see which day you are joining. And when you click that day, you'll be able to see the day's particular online session. And from that link, you'll be able to see the date as well as the join class button. Once you click on join class, you'll be in the session where it opens the window in the browser. And this is the WhatsApp channel, https://wcbbuzzz. You may please download this QR code or scan the QR code using your mobile phone to join the WhatsApp channel. We will also share this WhatsApp channel link in the upcoming communications. If someone is not in the WhatsApp, you'll be able to share that link as well. And couple of our students, few more students, actually not just couple, few students informed to us that a few of our emails ended up in the spam. Because it's like thousands of email communication happened in the last few days of time. We would like to request you to please go and check the spam folder for any emails that is from either bcbuzz.io or SheGuards.io org, these two domains. If you have any emails that is from these two domains, either bcbuzz.io or SheGuards.org, please click that email and mark it as safe, so that the further emails will end up in the inbox instead of being ending up in spam. Another thing, if you have any queries regarding your login access, regarding the course, regarding the program, regarding the daily session, or related to any questions related to whatever happened in the entire program, please feel free to email us at support@bcbuzz.io. And this is the actual reason why we launched this program. Last year, 2024 March 8, 2024, on International Women's Day, we launched this program called SheGuards, Global Alliance of Women in Cybersecurity. This you'll be able to see the launch poster in social media as well, our social media as well. And we wanted to continue this initiative. And last year, when we launched this initiative, a couple of months later, we ran a pilot program involving a few of academic institutions and close to 30-40 students in this 3 weeks of cybersecurity upskilling program under SheGuards initiative. So this year we want to do much better. So that's the reason March 8, 2025, we launched the next version of SheGuards. Instead of women in cybersecurity, we just wanted to enhance or broaden the technology, not just sticking only to cybersecurity. That's the reason we also added AI and cloud, which is required for the next few years and this whole decade as well, along with the cybersecurity. And beyond technology, we want to add more value to this program. That's the reason not only technical upskilling happening in this program, we'll be also having mentorship, networking, and guiding students for career in the future and so on. There are a lot of opportunities coming up in this initiative. So this launch poster we published this year will be having 3 core pillars. We would say one is awareness, another is resilience, and leadership. And when we wanted to upgrade this program for SheGuards, we got inquiry from few of the academic institutions what we do for men, and that's the reason we just upgraded the SheGuards 2025 program to Tech Mentor Connect global program, so that it is not limited only to women but open to all gender, open to all nationalities, no geographical boundaries at all. That's the reason you'll be able to see that gender icon in the poster, because people start to misunderstand that this program might be only for women, but actually it is open for all genders. Only a few part of the program at the end of the session will focus more about women empowerment of women, and we'll be having more women resources covering those sessions. And we have, of course, some initiatives, continuing initiatives for empowering women from the age of 12 for girl children to job seekers, working professionals, women in career break, and so there are a lot of activities coming up. So, and what would be the agenda for this 6 weeks of program? We'll be having 15 days of bootcamp in cybersecurity, and we'll be having 5 days of bootcamp in cloud, and we'll be having 5 days of bootcamp in AI. We'll be covering a little bit of generative AI as well. When it comes to cloud, we'll be able to cover cloud computing platforms, Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, and the some public cloud as well. And there'll be some hands-on demo in these sessions when we present 5 days of bootcamp in cloud. And when it comes to cybersecurity, the syllabus has been prepared very exhaustively for 15 days. We'll be touch base on penetration testing, network security, web application security, mobile app, IoT, WordPress security, securities, operations center, threat intelligence, digital forensics, incident response. Cybersecurity as a career, how one can start the career in cybersecurity as an entry level professional. What are the different kind of certifications that an employer might see as a value in your profiles? There are a lot of things that is part of the 15 days of bootcamp in cybersecurity. And after 3 bootcamps, there is one more session, 5 days of session that will follow related to SheGuards empowering women in technology. So this is the overall idea, overall uh, objective of this entire program. Today being the first day of the session, due to different time zones of people participating in, we would like to give an overview of what this entire initiative is all about, what this program is all about, what is going to be the content of it. And regarding the timing, we will be delivering the sessions around 4 to 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time from Tuesday to Saturday. We won't be having any sessions on Sunday and Monday. And if any of the student is able to, is unable to attend the session for some reasons, if they are unable to attend the live online session, no worries. The sessions are recorded, and the recording will be available for them in the LMS directly. And once you update the WhatsApp number in your profiles, we will add you to the WhatsApp group where you will get more details related to cybersecurity, job opportunities in non-technical, technical, not only in India, across the globe as well. That is another thing, and it will help you in networking as well. That's one more thing. And the third thing, we'll be creating a repository where we will share a shared drive where you can go and access and download the resources. That is part of the program, and that will help all the learners to add more value to what we cover as part of the program. As well as, if you have any suggestions, if you want to suggest something or be part of this initiative or contribute anything, you are welcome to send us an email at support@bcbuzz.io. We'll be able to connect with you. We'll be able to discuss with you and encourage you to be part of this, and partner with you how we can explore it forward. So once again, special thanks goes to Mr. Charles, Street CEOs TV from Nigeria, and all the participants, all the registrants, all the student learners from across the globe who are part of this program today and the following days. And these are the coordinates you will be able to check about us: streetceostv.com and SheGuards.org, and our primary website bcbuzz.io. The program name is Techmentor Global Connect 2025. We will post further updates in our social media in the following days. And we look forward to see you online on our day 2 session on 29th April 4:30 p.m. IST. Thank you so much for your time, and see you all in another couple of days.